8th class student, exercise 15. Question number is 4. First question is filling the blank, and second question is have solved, and 3 question also solved the before. Question number 4 is the 3 angles of a quadrilateral are 76 degree, 54 degree, and 108 degree. Find the measure of fourth angle. At first, you draw a quadrilateral, put the name ABCD, write the angle A is 76 degree, B put is 54, C is 108 degree, D is X. Let the fourth angle D is equal to X degree. You write the angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to sum of the all interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Angle 1 A value is 76 degree plus angle B is equal to 54 degree plus angle C value is 108 degree. D value is X is equal to 360. After plus the X, after plus is 120, 130, 238 degree. 10, 50, 30 and 110 is equal to 360. It is right the same. X will be 238. Make the minus, go the 338 degree. After minus, we get the 22, 122 degree. That fourth angle will be angle D is equal to 108 22 degree will be fourth angle of the quadrilateral. Question number 4 is complete. Question number 5. 5 is in question number 5, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:7:9. Find the measure of each angle. At first, angles in ratio is 3:5:7:9. Let angle A will be, write the x with ratio 3x, B will be 5x, and C will be 7x, and angle D will be 9x. A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 5x, C is equal to 7x, and D is equal to 9x. Sum of the all angle of A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360 degree. A value is 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x is equal to 360. It is same after plus 24x. 24x will be 360, x equal 360 upon 24. 12 ja 2, 15 ja. X value, we find the x value is 15 degree. Then angle A will be 3 into 15 is equal to 45 degree. Write the value of x, angle A, B, C and D. Angle B will be 5 into 15 is equal to 75 degree. Angle C will be 7 into 15 is equal to 105 degree. Angle D will be 9 into 115 is equal to 59 135. So we find the all angle of the quadrilateral ABCD. Question is 5 question is complete. 6th question is draw a figure. Question 6 is a quadrilateral has 3 acute angles. Acute angles mean is less than 90. Each measure 75 degree. Find the fourth angle. It is a question number 4. It is same. A and B and C value is, you write the let the fourth angle D is equal to x degree. Angle A plus angle B. Angle A equal angle B equal angle C is equal to 75 degree. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360 degree. Now put the value. 75 plus 75 plus 75 plus x is equal to 360 degree. 75 plus 222 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. X equal 360 minus 225. After minus is x value is 135 degree. That fourth angle of quadrilateral, I mean is D angle is 135 degree. Question number 6 is complete. Thank you.